In this tutorial, we'll delve into the fundamental concept of accounting, the chart of accounts. Let's simplify it by understanding the four basic principles: incomes, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Now, let's see the chart of accounts in action within SimpelERP. To navigate to the chart of accounts from home, click on Accounting and then click on Chart of Accounts under Accounting Master. The chart of accounts is represented in a tree structure with group nodes and leaf nodes. Group nodes are indicated by folders and leaf nodes are indicated by dots. Only leaf nodes can be used in transactions. The chart of accounts has four main groups: assets or application of funds, liabilities or source of funds, income and expenses. You can click on a group or a subgroup to further expand it, or you can click on Expand All to view all the ledgers at once. You can create additional groups or ledgers by clicking on a group and then on Add Child. Fill in the details, the account type, and you can check on is group if you want it to be added as a subgroup instead of a ledger. For each account, the account type property can be set. This helps in selecting the right ledgers in transaction. For example, all ledgers representing a bank account must have the account type set to bank, and all ledgers representing inventory must have the account type set to stock. Click on Edit to update the existing details of groups or ledgers. You can also change the account type and then view the ledger of that particular account. Lastly, you can quickly view the financial statements and other information like the chart of course centers on a click of a button. Let us look at the account setting to review some of the most important configurations. Well, you can click on Account Setting under Accounting Masters, or you can use the awesome bar to navigate. You can set the date till which your books of accounts are frozen. This makes sure that no one can post transactions in accounting periods that have been closed. You can also specify the credit controller rule. You can learn more about account settings by reading the documentation. SimpelERP supports multi-company setup. For each legal entity, you can create a company record. Each company will have its own chart of accounts. The company record contains default values and important configurations about sales accounts, inventory, asset, depreciation, and human resources. The default ledgers for cash, bank, income, expenses payable, receivable can be set in account settings. The default cost center, credit limit, and payment terms can be set here. You can also maintain the child-parent relationship between companies and manage intercompany transactions. I hope you got an overview of the chart of accounts. Thanks for watching.